So a couple weeks ago, we received a really odd box that was sent to us out of the blue from Meta, and it was a whole bunch of Quest 3 accessories, which didn't make a lot of sense a year too late. And in the moment, I was just like, I thought it was gonna be something exciting in the box. So I'm gonna let you enjoy the video here of my confusion and kind of trying to give you recaps of the reviews of what they sent, even though it was way too late. And at the end of the video, we'll talk a little bit more about some facts that have come out since we've recorded this video that might actually be a big clue as to why they sent this to us. We'll see you soon. Meta sent me a very Quest-shaped box this close to the Quest 3S launch. I'm excited. Now, although I will say this looks more like a Quest 2 sized box, because the Quest 3s come in pretty small, actually square boxes. They also didn't have to sign anything or ask me to sign anything, so I'm not that hopeful that it's anything that cool in here, but what the heck else would they be sending me now? This is strange. You know what this is? This is all the accessories I didn't get when the Quest 3 came out, because I got a blue head strap, not an orange one. Essentially, just a colored version of the stock one. We got the alternate facial interface, which I'm excited about because I feel like I'm going to break that one at some point with how much I'm taking it on and off. Stock style strap. I did not get the silicone facial interface, which I wanted to test out forever. I didn't get their fit straps. I had to buy those myself at Best Buy. Yeah, that definitely goes in with an OEM factory style feel. I don't know if it makes them worth 5 times the price. And we never got the Elite battery strap because there was that whole debacle with them not working, not charging the headsets. Then they like faux mini recalled them. And so now this must be one of the newer ones. I'm not that excited about most of these actually. I'm kind of excited about this just because I don't think we ever actually reviewed one of these, but like it's so close to the 3S launch that it just feels kind of funny that these showed up now, but I guess better late than never is the saying, right? We have the MetaQuest silicone facial interface, which has exactly the same design as the stock facial interface, but it's silicone instead of the nasty fabric that gets all itchy on your face. Their silicone actually is, I feel like it's more premium than most of the ones you can buy or the silicone covers and stuff. It actually does feel really nice. Back in New York, they had these on there for sanitary purposes, and I remember thinking, oh my gosh, the new facial interfaces are so nice. And then when it launched, this was not what was included. You had to pay like 40 bucks for that. This orange one, I don't even know if there's any purpose in opening this. I feel like I'm just gonna give that away to one of you, so I'm gonna leave that closed. We already reviewed these, so I don't know what the F to do with it. I went and bought one of these just because I really wanted to know what was happening, and then I got stuck with one of the ones that went bad too. Did they know that this needed new battery specifications in the Oculus Elite strap, or did they possibly carry forward the same technology, and we're gonna find as people start getting more of these Quest 3s and playing them longer, that maybe the battery straps aren't up to snuff? Chris B Tech dropped a video not only of his issues with an Elite strap dying 3 days after purchasing.
Headset 94%, extended battery 0%, but actually the extended battery is at 100% because I haven't been using it, and you can see it gives you the symbol, external battery connected, and then it just disappears, it's gone.
But Meta actually replying saying there's an issue and they're working on a fix. A lot of people in comments on his video, on videos of mine, and of course on Reddit saying the same thing or other issues that they've had with the MetaQuest Elite battery strap. So yeah, I already have one of these laying around here somewhere. And then the hand straps, we did a full review on their version. It's a lot like some of the other hand straps you can buy for like $10 or $15 on Amazon. They're nice, they work well, they fit your hands, they fit the charging dock, like all those things are nice. It was just these things were like 30 or 40 bucks in the beginning. For hand straps is quite a lot. But we do have a silicone facial interface based off the exact same design as the original one. And it is nice. It's just like the original except silicone instead. So if you like the original, if it fit your face well, but you just wanted something more sanitary, something you could wipe down easier, something that wouldn't soak up sweat, the silicone one does that. A problem with silicone interfaces in general though is because they don't soak up the sweat, if you do a lot of fitness, you may get the effect where it like slips up and down your face. It doesn't matter as much if you're someone like me with the PSVR S3 Pro Halo head strap because that's holding on up here. But if you're someone who's rocking a stock head strap or the Elite strap and you get this thing really wet around the edges, the whole ability it has to hang onto your face is kind of ruined by the fact that you now have water in between your skin and silicone, and so it'll slip up and down on you. But for me with this one, it feels nice. I actually always wanted one of their own ones, not that I'm gonna use it now because I have way better facial interfaces, but yeah, I guess now I just have to give stuff away. So I'm gonna add this to the ever-growing pile of accessories I have laying around because we're gonna be giving these away in person. So yeah, if you don't know about that, if you're in the Portland, Oregon area, I'll put some links down in the description. There's a Discord here. We're planning hopefully to have our first ever secret new video series we're working on. next month. I just have to have a free weekend, and I'm gone too many weekends lately. But at those, I'll have all these other accessories randomly laying around that I don't use anymore, and then I can give to all of you. So thank you, I guess, to Meta for sending these almost a year late. Now I have a full collection. I actually gave away, somebody grabbed the blue one at the local meetup we already did. They were really excited because they wanted the blue one. So number 2, come on up. What are you getting?
I want the blue interface.
It comes with the strap. It comes with the strap too.
So now somebody can grab the orange one, someone can get a silicone one, and I'm gonna leave most of these sealed and brand new so that people can just grab one brand new. The only one that will be already opened and pre-sweated on will be the silicone facial interface. What do you think at this point? Are you waiting on the 3S like I am? Are you curious about it? Are you wanting to see and test it? Hopefully I'll be eyes in one here in like 3 weeks if my guess is about connector right, but I don't have any proof or certainty yet. But thank you to all of you for being here with me once again. Hopefully I'll see some of you soon, give some of this stuff away here in person at our new studio, but I'll see you in another reality. All right, so that was the video right there. Since this has happened, there was a couple weird things that happened. One, AliExpress quickly, and not for very long, showed off a bunch of Quest 3S accessories, which all were pulled forward from the Quest 3, giving people the suspicion now that the Quest 3S will use the same accessories, something that we had actually pointed out before that, how it looked like the Quest 3S left a hole where the auxiliary port originally would have been, even though they're taking it away for the 3S is the latest rumor. And so it seems like this box, although they haven't said anything, literally Meta has said nothing to me about the 3S. Seems like they may have sent all these accessories so that when we get 3Ss, we would be prepared and ready with accessories that already work for them. Since then, some other accessories have dropped online too and then been pulled back again and again. So every sign seems to be pointing towards the fact that the 3S really is coming at Connect, and since it's a 3S, it would actually use the same accessory lineup as the 3, at least as far as it can. Head straps, facial interface, it looks like, but obviously not things that would cover the front of the shell where that's a completely different shape. So at this point, my question to you is, what do you think? Are we close enough that that seems like a real possibility? It'd be the first time Meta ever let any of their accessories really move forward, but we've already seen the 3S uses the exact same 3 controllers, so if nothing else, at least the hand straps they sent me will work for it. Let me know your thoughts though. I'm curious what you're seeing out there, and thank you for being here with me. I'll see you in another reality.